So I chose to volunteer at Twin City Mission, and Twin City Mission provides many services to serve the community at Bryan College Station, including shelter, meals, and clothing. And the vision statement of Twin City Mission is to provide a world in which all individuals and families have opportunity for hope, acceptance, and stability in a safe and caring environment. Second Chance 2 is one of 4 resource shops owned by Twin City Missions, and this is the one I volunteered at. It is the official donation site for Phoebe's Home, a 24-hour emergency shelter for victims of domestic violence. Many of the clients at Second Chance 2 are the women and children who stay at Phoebe's Home. These women are given 5 free items per month to get from the store for events such as job interviews, which helps them get back on their feet and get back out there on their own. And all of the proceeds generated by the resale shops benefit the clients of Twin City Mission. And these are just some pictures that I incorporated that just show the community that this organization creates and how people come together to serve those who are less fortunate. I like the football team, as you can see in the top left corner and in the top right and in the middle. And then just some other pictures of a high school that donated some items too. After receiving assistance from a facility in Dallas, James Stark was inspired to open Twin City Missions. In December of 1963, James Stark started Bryan City Mission, modeling it after the facility he received help from with the support of his wife and friends. In 1968, an executive director was hired to carry on the mission. The original focus of Twin City Mission was to meet the needs of homeless individuals and families, but after seeing other areas of need in the community, more programs were added to help with those needs. Programs such as the Helping Hand store was opened in July 1969, Sheltering Arms, which was a temporary safe place for children who had been abused, neglected, or ran away, in March of 1973, and Phoebe's Home in 1978. Phoebe's Home was actually the first available shelter for abused women and their children in the Brazos Valley. In November of 1973, Bryan City Mission changed its name to Twin City Mission, and since then, Twin City Mission has continued to grow and develop into the impactful ministry that it is today. So I chose to volunteer at Twin City Missions because I've seen how big of an impact they have made on the community here in Bryan College Station, and I wanted to become a part of that. And I chose to volunteer at one of their resale shops called Second Chance 2 because I have had previous experience volunteering at resale shops in my hometown and believe it is an easy but effective way to give back to the community. And at Second Chance 2, I sorted through items and cleaned up sections of the store such as the video, toy, and book sections. The Twin Cities staff is primarily white, but the clients and volunteers are more diverse. The clients that came to the store were mostly Hispanic and some were white, and they're also mostly women and children, as I mentioned earlier, because they are partnered with Phoebe's Home. But 2 of the volunteers I worked with were both volunteering at Second Chance 2 for community service, and one of them was Hispanic and the other was Black. Even though we were also different, we were able to work together to give back to the community. Through this organization and project, I have learned that there are a lot of people in the Bryan College Station area who need help from their community. It is the responsibility of the community to take care of those who are less fortunate. It is so important for individuals to think of other people rather than themselves, and to do that by serving others. Volunteering has taught me to focus on other people's needs rather than my own. And through serving my community, I have gained an appreciation for things I have, like a higher education, safety, and plenty of clothes and food. We live in a world that always wants more, but I believe being content with what we have is a very important lesson to learn.